Finding the right printer for your crafting projects can be frustrating, especially when you need something that delivers quality without breaking the bank. Here are the 5 best options I've found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Canon PIXMA TS4320. The Canon PIXMA TS4320 at just $59. This compact all-in-one printer caught my eye for its affordability and versatility. If you want a budget-friendly printer that doesn't skimp on quality, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The TS4320 offers vibrant color prints thanks to its 2-cartridge hybrid ink system, which means your photos and crafting projects will look sharp and colorful. Plus, with automatic duplex printing, you can save on paper costs while speeding up your workflow. No one wants to waste time flipping paper, right? And let's talk about connectivity. With dual-band Wi-Fi, you can print from anywhere in your home, making it super convenient for crafting sessions that require quick print jobs. Now, some people complained about the initial setup being a bit tedious. Here's the thing though, once you get through that, the ease of use and quality make it totally worth it. It's a great option for those who aren't tech savvy but still want solid performance. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist crafter looking for an inexpensive, reliable printer. Skip this one if you need high volume printing or advanced photo features. Considering its price, it offers great value for the money. Now, if the setup process being a hassle bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, the Epson EcoTank ET2800. The Epson EcoTank ET2800 coming in at $179.99. This printer really caught my attention with its innovative cartridge-free design, which is a game changer for crafters who print often. If you want to cut down on ink costs while still getting stunning results, this is worth a serious look. What's special about this one? The EcoTank uses refillable ink tanks instead of cartridges. That means one set of ink can replace about 80 cartridges. Talk about savings. You can print up to 4,500 pages in black and 7,500 in color. That's more than enough for even the most ambitious crafting projects. And with print speeds of up to 10 pages per minute, you won't be waiting around for your projects to come to life. Now, some users have mentioned that the initial price might seem steep, but here's the thing. When you consider the long-term savings on ink, it actually pays for itself over time. This is especially true for crafters who do a lot of color printing. This is perfect for you if you frequently print large volumes for your crafting projects. Skip this one if you only print occasionally and want to keep things super simple. For the investment, the value is hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better if you're looking for a multi-function printer. Product number 3, HP Envy 6155E. Coming in at $79.89, the HP Envy 6155E is another fantastic choice for crafters. What caught my attention here is its ability to print stunning borderless photos and documents, which is perfect for all your creative projects. If you want a printer that is both stylish and efficient, this is worth a serious look. The Envy 6155E offers features like duplex printing, which means you can print on both sides of the page without manually flipping them. It also has an AI feature that ensures your prints are perfectly formatted, no more wasted pages or awkward layouts. Plus, the 3-month instant ink trial is an added bonus that makes it easy to keep your printer running smoothly without last-minute trips to the store. However, some users reported that it can be a bit slow with photo prints. Here's my take on this. While it may not be the fastest option out there, the quality of the prints is worth the wait, especially for crafters who value detail. This is perfect for you if you want a printer that excels in producing high-quality photos at home. Skip this one if you prioritize speed over quality in your prints. For its price, it's a solid value considering the features you get. Now, if you need something that's even more budget-friendly, wait until you hear about our next pick. Product number 4, Canon PIXMA TS6520. We have the Canon PIXMA TS6520, priced at $79. This printer immediately stood out to me for its compact design and great features. If you're looking for a printer that can handle a variety of media types without taking up too much space, this is worth a serious look. The TS6520 offers an auto document feeder and borderless printing, so you can easily create beautiful prints, flyers, or whatever your heart desires without borders. Plus, the 1.42-inch OLED display makes it easy to manage your print jobs. It supports a wide range of media sizes, which is fantastic for crafters who love to experiment with different formats. But some users mentioned that the ink can run out quickly if you're printing a lot. Here's why that's not a deal breaker. The quality you get from this printer truly shines through, especially in crafting projects where detail matters. This is perfect for you if you need a compact printer that can do a bit of everything. Skip this one if you're focused solely on high-volume printing. For the price, it gives you a lot of capabilities without breaking the bank. Now, if you're looking for an even more budget-friendly option, the last printer on my list might just be what you need. Product number 5, the HP DeskJet 2855E, which comes in at just $59.89. This printer is an excellent choice for crafters who need something simple yet effective for everyday printing tasks. If you're on a tight budget and want a reliable option, this is worth a serious look. The DeskJet 2855E is perfect for printing lists, recipes, or photos. With print speeds of up to 5.5 color pages per minute, it's not the fastest, but it gets the job done for personal projects. The HP AI feature ensures that your prints come out looking great, and the wireless connectivity means you can print from anywhere in your home. However, some reviews pointed out that it only operates on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which might limit your connectivity options. But honestly, for casual crafters who don't need advanced features, this could be a non-issue. This is perfect for you if you just need a reliable printer for everyday crafting needs. Skip this one if you need something with more advanced capabilities. For its price, you really can't go wrong with this printer. Now, let's wrap things up and compare our top choices. So, to quickly recap, we've covered the Canon PIXMA TS4320 for budget versatility, the Epson EcoTank ET2800 for cost-effective printing, the HP Envy 6155E for beautiful photo quality, the Canon PIXMA TS6520 for compact versatility, and the HP DeskJet 2855E for everyday reliability. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Epson EcoTank ET2800 because it offers fantastic long-term savings and quality for crafters who print often. I'd avoid the HP DeskJet 2855E if you're looking for advanced features, as it might not meet all your crafting needs.